Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see Google Ads to Google Sheets automation for high growth businesses. I'm running an online business and I'm collecting all my leads using Google Ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, the lead details should be automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. If I do this manually, this will consume a lot of my time, and that's why I'm going to automate the entire process using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Ads and Google Sheets. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I am going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, I am automatically going to add all the lead details to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to add all the lead details from my Google Ads to my Google Sheets automatically, and for this I'm going to build integration between Google Ads and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Now once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features, that too forever. Now here, as I am an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch. So I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'll name this workflow as Google Ads to Google Sheets automation for high growth businesses, and now I'm going to select my folder. Now these are the folders which have been created, and here I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, you will see a box will appear in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application, and here it is. Add trigger. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from my Google Ads, the lead details are automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to take Google Ads. And in my trigger event, I am going to select new lead form entry and then click on connect. So now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I'm going to open my Google Ads. Now here I'm running a test campaign, but when you will be running a live campaign, you have to create the same setup in the very similar manner and steps. So here I've added this campaign level lead form, in which I want the first name and the last name. If I click on this full name, you can see in this preview that the form will change to this name only. I'll take this full name, then I want this email, I want the phone number, and then I want the city. So after adding these fields, I'm going to scroll down, and then I have this option of lead delivery option. I'm going to open this, and then I'm going to add the webhook URL. I'm going to go back towards my workflow. I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste it over here. Now over here, I'm going to enter the key. So I'm going to enter a random key, and then I'm going to click on the send test data. As I click on the send test data, you will see a test data will be sent to my workflow from my Google Ads. Now here, as I'm running a test campaign, I'm going to receive a test data from Google Ads, but when you will be running a live campaign, you will going to receive a real-time data. I'm going to click on the send test, and you will see test data will be sent successfully, and here it is, test data sent. Now I should have captured the test details from my Google Ads to my workflow. I'm going to open my workflow here. Let's wait for the webhook response. And here 6 seconds ago we have captured the response. So the city is Mountain View. The phone number which we have received is this one. The email address is test@example.com, and we have received the full name as first name and the last name. You can see these are the same fields which we have selected, and we have received the test data response for all of these fields over here. Here, as soon as I receive the response, we can say the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead detail, I want to add that to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for Google Sheets. In my action event, I'm going to select it as add new row and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Here you need to choose your Google account with which we have logged into our Google Sheets, and after choosing that account, you have to grant away the permission by clicking on this allow. You will see Google Sheets will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Let's wait for the connection to be created. And here it is, Google Sheet is connected with Pabbly Connect. So connection created successfully. And now I need to enter these details. Now over here, first I have to select the spreadsheet. If I open my spreadsheet, you can see that I have created a spreadsheet by the name Google Ads Leads. I'm going to select the same spreadsheet. As I select the spreadsheet, you will see these fields will change. So over here, I have these fields: name, email, phone, and city. And as I have selected this spreadsheet, let's wait. You can see the sheet is automatically detected, which is this sheet number 1. Now here I need to enter these details. Over here, I'm not going to enter these details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from this Google Ads, and when I click on this field, I can see the slash for field mapping. I'm going to click on this slash, and over here, this Google Ads appear in front of me. I'm going to click on this, and I can see all the response. So here, I'm going to map the full name. So over here, the full name is this first name and the last name. Then we have this email address. I'll put slash. I'll click on this Google Ads and then map the email address. Then I have this phone number. I'll click on this slash and then enter the phone number, and then I have this city. I'll follow the same process and map the city name, which is this Mountain View. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After entering all these details, I'll click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. Here I've received the response. This response is a positive one. Let me open my Google Sheets spreadsheet and check whether all these details are added or not. So here it is. I have added all the details. The name is first name, last name, email address is test@example.com. The phone number is this, and the city name is Mountain View. These are the same exact details which I've captured from Google Ads, added here, and received that response in this Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now to summarize, we took Google Ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received a new lead, and then we wanted to add that to Google Sheet. We took Google Sheet as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally added all the details. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Google Ads and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. I've attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly early and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.